Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Handmade Ideas. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started with today's video. Here I am taking a black paper of size 21 into 18.5 centimeter. Now I am dividing 21 centimeter into 3 equal parts of 7 centimeter each. Now for the other side of 18.5 centimeter, I am dividing into 5 parts, that is 7 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. On the side of 7 centimeter, I am making a cross in both the sides. Here I am cutting from the side of 1.5 centimeter. Repeat the same step in the other side. Now I am cutting the corners using the cross marking we did earlier. Trim all the edges like so. Fold it inward, then outward, make it a triangle. Now fold it from the corner, put it inside, you will get something like this. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. Pull the center line in outward direction, like so. You will get something like this. Repeat the same and make another similar piece. I made it before, now I'll stick them together. Stick it above the other piece like this. Here we have two outward folds, make a hole on both the sides. Take a rubber band, cut it and then put it inside this hole. Make a tied knot. Stretch it and take it to the other side and put it inside the other hole and repeat the same. Make a tied knot. Stretch it and put something over it so it doesn't move. I use my scissor and then fold everything like this. Now apply glue. Now stretch it, slowly put it over the glue and let it dry. Repeat the same process on the other side. You will get something like this. Now stick them together. Now I am decorating it with printed sheet. You can also go with photographs. I have made one more before. This is how it turned out. If you recreate any of my artwork, share your pictures on my mail. I have amazing gifts for my creative family. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.